Good morning, you guys. As you can see, I'm not all glammed up or anything, but honestly, you guys, I literally just woke up not too long ago and I've been tracking this package. I've been so excited to receive this package. I got notification that it was actually delivered to my mailbox 2 days ago. So I literally went to the mailbox with my bonnet on. I threw on my jacket, I threw on my slippers, and I was out that door. So, don't mind all this happening. Usually, your girls all put together, but not today. But honestly, I really don't care. I'm super, super, super excited to show you guys this haul from Juvia'S place. If you guys know me, you know that I've always been about Juvia'S place. I love their eyeshadow palettes. One of my favorite go-to palettes that they have are their blush palettes. So I was really excited to finally hop on the bandwagon to try their new foundation. I know I'm late, but better late than never. So, you guys, if you are new, welcome back to my channel. I don't even know if I said my name, but my name is Rayanne Samanthaaa. I would love for you guys to hit that red subscribe button down below so you don't miss any more videos. Also, hit that post notification bell so you know when I do post new videos. But yeah, with all of that housekeeping out of the way, let's just get right into this video. So, I don't want to show any of my information or anything like that, but this is what the box is looking like. It has the packing slip and all that kind of customs crap and all that jazz. So, as I said, I've been tracking this for so long. I took advantage of the Black Friday sales. So I did purchase this stuff for Black Friday, and I just received the package about 2 days ago. I got it on the 20th, so it did take some time to come through. But that's okay. It is here now, and I'm super excited to open it. I have not opened it. The box is still sealed, so this is my first impression. This is my first time I'm meeting these beauties. So let's just get it all opened up. Okay, so I'm just taking my handy dandy scissors. I'm just gonna open that up. Okay, so this is what the package is looking like on the inside. So let me just tell you guys what I purchased. Okay, so I found my packing slip and I purchased, so here it is. The lighting is crappy. But anyways, I purchased the Black Friday bundle. I purchased the I Am Magic foundations in 4 different colors because honestly, I wasn't really sure which color to use. My skin right now is in between my summer color and my winter color, so I knew that my skin would be changing. So I did want to have a variety because I didn't want to buy something and then realize it's not my color and then have to reorder stuff. And then the last thing that I got was the Zulu Palette and the I Am Magic concealer. So let's go ahead and open that. Okay, so first off, in the Black Friday deal, honestly, was so great. I really had no choice but to take advantage of that. So this is one of the palettes that was in the Black Friday bundle. This is the Nomad palette by Juvia'S. I don't know if if I should open them all. Actually, you know what? Let me open them. Actually, I'm not going to. I'll do a separate video showing you guys swatches and all that kind of stuff. So this is, it's called Afrique Blush, and that's obviously by Juvia'S Place, and it's called Bella. I am a sucker for packaging. This is such a cute little package. So I'm really excited about that. Next we have the Tribe Highlighter Volume 3. I'm super excited to try this because I live for a good highlighter. I've never tried their highlighters. I've honestly never tried anything other than their blush for face products, so I'm really excited to try these. Okay, so up next we have the Warrior 3 palette. So that was also in the Black Friday bundle. This one I'm super excited. It has awesome colors. This is the Tribe palette by Julius, and it has this really nice green tones in it. So I'm really excited to try this as well. Whoops! Can't be dropping this now, like. The next one is the Nubian 3 Coral palette. Maybe I should open them. I don't know. Well, you know what? For now, I'm just going to show you guys what I got. If I decide to open it, I open them. But yeah, so this is what this is looking like. Like, there was so many palettes, you guys, in this package. And it was really inexpensive. Like, it was almost like you had to get this Black Friday deal. It was so good. And last but not least in the bundle is actually, I don't think the Zulu was in the bundle. I think I just ended up getting it on its own. I don't remember, but last but not least, it is the Zulu palette. So that is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 palettes. It also came with these brushes. So this is a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 brush piece set. Let me just go ahead and open it for you guys. So there's this face brush. It's really soft, you guys. It's super pretty. I love the colors. And on it, it just says, like, it says Juvia'S, and then it has, like, it's hard for you guys to see, but it has Juvia'S, it has, like, the number, and then it tells you what kind of brush it is, and then it just says a tapered blush brush. This one right here is Juvia'S J121 brush, and it's an angled contour brush. These brushes are so soft, you guys. Next are 2 little eyeshadow brushes. Let me take them out the package. So this is a J127 precision brush, and this is a J125 blending brush. So that's what it looks like. And the last brush in the package, let me just take that out for you guys, is it's a really nice flat brush that I'm sure I can use for many different things, but this is just an angled brow brush. That's what they're calling it. So super cute brush set that I really love. I can't wait to use those. What other goodies do we got? This also came with the Black Friday bundle. This is it's called the Queen lip gloss. Again, I've never used their lip products. The packaging is super chic and super cute. I like this little slide of action happening right here. It looks like it's kind of like a deep kind of plum color, if you guys can see that. So again, I know I sound like a broken record, but I'm really excited to use that. What else do we got here? So this is another highlighter, and it is called the Heroine Glow 1. So that's what the packaging looks like. What else do we got in here? So this is another brush. I'm pretty sure I purchased this on its own. This is just a, I don't know if you guys can see that. It's just a highlighter brush, which I'm pretty excited about because it's nice and rounded. It's rounded, but also a little bit pointed. So I think this is gonna have a lot of precision for my highlighters. Another highlighter, you guys, this is also from the Black Friday special. This is called the Royalty 2, and this is a loose highlighter. I have actually never had a loose, so that's what it's looking like. There we go. That's what it looks like. Yeah, so I've actually never had a loose highlighter, so this will be new for me. Okay, so now it's time for the foundations. Yes. Okay, so I got the I Am Magic foundation in the color 230 Malawi. I got it in Gabon in 300. Burkina, which is 310. And Zaria, which is 320. I didn't realize I got this many, you guys. And this is the I Am Magic concealer in the color 12. I honestly regret not getting a contour concealer shade, but whatever. Not like I don't already have a contour shade in other brands, but yeah. So I think I will do a separate video showing you guys swatches. That's what I'm gonna do. This was just a really fun, I'm really excited. I'm gonna be honest with you, I'm keeping it 100. I haven't even brushed my teeth, haven't washed my face. When I say I got out of bed and ran to the community mailbox, that's what I did. So don't judge me, don't come for me. I was just really excited and wanted to share my excitement with you guys on camera. But yeah, if you haven't already done so, go ahead and hit the red subscribe button down below. I really thank you guys for watching my videos. It's almost Christmas. I still haven't I still haven't finished my shopping. So yeah, I also have a flexi rod set loading under here. I'm not sure which video is going to come out first. So if I've already posted my flexi rod set, go ahead and watch that right now. I also hope to do some sort of holiday eye look. So yeah, you guys, as you can see, I'm really excited. I did have some stuff going on, but this has definitely lifted my spirits just a little bit. But yeah, I will hopefully see you guys in my next video. I need to go clean up and get ready for Christmas and all that kind of, not actually Christmas, but like, you know, you gotta clean the house and do all that jazz. So I'm gonna start with my makeup brushes. I'm rambling now, so I'm gonna stop. But yeah, you guys, thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in my next one. Toodles!